And so right now I'm taking out the side panels, as you can see, trying to take them out the panels so I don't have to loose it up too much. This is a lot of work. It has a lot of small screws like these to take them out apart. I suggest you just make a shed with wood instead of buying these and putting them together. They're a pain to take apart and put together. Hey guys, so I'm taking down this metal shed. I think it's a 10 by 7 and 13 or something. First time taking down a shed, so I'm gonna start from the top. Take the panels from the top off and then the side. It's not hard, as you can see. I started already. There's these Phillips screws holding it. So if you're looking to buy one of these, I got this free from Facebook Marketplace. It's not big and it's easy to put together, take apart and put together. So I'm going to start from the top. You need a ladder, screw gun, screwdriver, whatever you have. It's not in bad condition, I just need to wash it and paint it, spray it back, and has some rust on the side here, and the door needs repair, but overall it's in good condition. Alright guys, so you have to take off the top first, because if you start with the side it's gonna collapse, and some of the screws, the head is damaged. So this piece, the roof is one whole section, but you can fold it up. So we're trying to take off some of the screws. The head is damaged, and it's not these type of shed, it's not strong, as you can see here. We tried to take the side panels off first because we thought the frame is going to hold it up, but it's not sturdy, so I might have to put some studs to hold it, some 2x3 studs or something. It can be easily bent.